Well, cheers.
Cheers. Hey, little buddy. Oh,
Hey.
wait, you're supposed to say that to me. You're a skipper.
Hey, we got a package sent today. This came from Timmy's girlfriend, Ashley. She sent us a care package. So let's get this thing open. Let's see what's in here and see what we got. What do you think Ashley would have sent?
A big old middle finger?
Known Ashley? Yeah, it might be in there.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Today, Junior.
Today.
This came all the way from where?
I don't know.
Ashley? Malört liqueur. I don't know what that is.
Hopefully, they're minis of
It's a
the big one.
six-pack. Is it? All right. Anyways.
Malört.
All right. We don't need that.
I don't think we've ever had it before. 1933.
Is this the same as those?
Yeah,
Okay.
Carl Jeppson Company.
never have had it.
Instead of squinting, how about if I just put my glasses on?
35%.
Liqueur. All right. Let's
Let's
go
go
big.
big. Let's just go
We're
big.
going big.
What's it smell
Oh,
like?
put some in there.
Are we doing shots?
There we go.
All right.
I drove all the way out here. I gotta calm my nerves.
All right. Malört liqueur. It smells almost a tequila-ish.
Well, cheers.
Cheers.
This is the shit you like.
Is it? It's like black licorice-y. Well, this is the way to do it. Not a sipper. All right.
You really think that's good, Ashley?
Well,
Could have been worse. It could have been pineapple.
look, it wouldn't be at the bottom of my list, but it's not my first choice.
No. Good luck, people. If you like this stuff.
Malört, it's definitely an acquired taste.
Oh,
There's one
it's
for the
acquired.
cameraman.
Oh,
person.
yeah. Get this off.
All
my
righty.
tongue.
Thanks for watching.
That's it. Click that thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe. We'll do more shit like this.
Good luck tasting that. Oh.
You know, people should just send you what they want you to try.
That's an idea. I'm gonna have to open
I'd
up
watch
a P.O.
it.
box.
I'd
All right.
watch it.
We'll try it if you send it.
Contact for sending address.